very happy good morning to all of you. Today we are going to Satrem waterfall. So hang along with us in our journey to explore more. This waterfall is located deep inside mhadhei Wildlife Sanctuary. If you are going there by car, then you have to park it near the temple. And if you are going with a bike, then it will go a little bit further and reduce your walking distance. The time to reach this waterfall is about 2 hours if you walk continuously. But if you take many stops, then the time will increase to 3 hours. So be careful and walk fast. While going to the waterfall, you will find many small springs. You will have to cross them. But be careful while crossing them because you may slip and twist your leg. If you forgot to do your calf workout, then don't worry. This steep slope will give them the workout they need. This is the most exhausting part of the trek. Here you will find a small waterfall to do your photo shoot. Finally we reached the waterfall. If you like our video, then do share it with your friends, and if you are new to channel, then a sub will be appreciated. Thank you for watching. Hang along with us.